Hello and welcome back to Finance 101. On today's episode on Road to 10K, we are going to buy a fractional share of Salesforce. So what does Salesforce do? Salesforce is behind most of the companies. When you buy something online, they're behind the scenes, make sure everything goes smoothly. And all you're going to do is just press buy, put in your credit card or however else you want to buy it, and you receive what you want and the company get paid safely. So as you can see down here, I deposited $150 to buy a fractional share of Salesforce. So it seems like this is a trend now. So every 2 weeks is that I add $100 or I can go up to $200. So let's go right ahead and buy a part of the fractional share of Salesforce. As you can see, the past month we're up $109.38. So let's get right in and buy it. So always you go to search on the top, and you come down here, you see fractional share. So you click on it, you scroll down a little bit, and you can type it in. So I think Salesforce is what? CRM. Or as always, you can also scroll down the list and also look for it. So here it is. Let's get right in. So you go in, and down here you're gonna go to buy. When you press buy, make sure you select which account is the TFSA we are buying it from. It helps us to get a little bit off the taxes when it comes down to it. So always use TFSA or your ISP. Don't bother too much with your personal account. So you go up where it say market buy, change to fractional share or fractional buy. Go continue, and always pay attention to the number down here because my account is Canadian, and for the 150, I'm gonna get 114.98 cents US. So that's the money we're gonna put in now. So let's say we put in 100 and sorry about that. I'm gonna put in 114 points. Let's say 50. I guess we have to give a little bit of room for the exchange rate. So we go to next. And okay, we go continue from here, and as you can see, we are gonna get a fraction of 0.4468. So we'll go confirm order, and as we wait, it come up. Okay, it's done. And as always, it's gonna fill it by the end of the day. If you want to check it, go down here, you go pending, check down there to see what is going on. We click on it here, and it will tell you that it will be filled on August 20th by the end of the day. Okay, that's how simple it is. So you can go back. Another thing is, last time I got dividend paid by Apple, I only have 3 shares of Apple. It was 83 cents, but I ended up getting 72 cents in the account. That's because the government take taxes off your dividend when you do get dividends. So that's how I end up with 72 cents. The account is doing good so far, and last week the market wasn't the best, but as you can see, I'm doing okay. And that's the power of buying great companies that can withstand anything that goes around. So now we own Apple, Amazon, Bristol Myers, DVI Ford, Norwegian Cruise Line, PSTH, Shopify, and Westwater. So right now we only got 62 cents left. This is just a quick update on Road to 10K and buying a fractional share of Salesforce. If you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing, sharing the video, and also if it's your first time and you don't have no Wealthsimple account, you can look down in the descriptions and get your account from here, and you will get 2 free stocks from Wealthsimple if you go through my link. Bye for now, and I'll see you in the next video.